Hardware and software. Who's going to answer me? What is the main difference between hardware and software? Yes, Abraham.
Teacher, that hardware you can touch, but software you can't touch.
Very good, Abraham. Good job. That is the biggest difference between hardware and software. Okay. Now I'm going to show you a video. Please watch it very carefully. I'm going to end it soon and I'm going to ask cross question it that you are paying attention in my class. Yes and no. Okay, everyone. Ayan Ahmed, is there any problem with your reaction on Zoom? Open your camera. Hello Zainab. Hello Talbia. Hello Maheen. How are you all? Good? Good, that's good. Well, everyone, you must have a paper and pencil with you. Note down the important things. We are going to just take a review of what we studied last time. Okay, pay attention and I will ask you questions. Okay, one by one, I will ask each one of you the questions what you have done study. Take it very seriously, sit properly, pay attention, note down each and every point I'm telling you. Okay, everyone? Let's see this video and then I'll ask questions. Okay?
Hardware and software, two terms you've probably heard of at one point or another. The odds are high that you use both on a daily basis, whether it's with your smartphone or personal computer. Let's take a deeper look at what these two things are and why they're important. Hardware is any element of a computer that's physical. This includes things like monitors, keyboards, and also the inside of the devices, like microchips and hard drives. Software is anything that tells hardware what to do and how to do it, including computer programs and apps on your phone. So video games, photo editors, and web browsers are just a few examples. Hardware and software are very different from each other, but they also need one another in order to function. Let's look at an example of this in the smartphone. In this case, the hardware would be the physical phone itself, and the software would be its operating system and its apps. If you were to take away the software, you would just have a dead phone. You wouldn't be able to make calls, text, or go online because it is not receiving any kind of instruction. On the other hand, let's say we have no hardware, meaning there's no actual phone. If all we have are the programs, we just have a bunch of instructions, but nothing to give those instructions to. So the big picture here is that hardware needs software to tell it what to do, but software also needs hardware in order to act out its direction. Technology will continue to evolve, and though we may not be sure of how things will look in, say, 100 years, this combination of hardware and software will be there, serving as its foundation.
That's the end of the video, everyone. Okay. Now, who's going to tell me if the hardware is not there, will software work? If you don't have a hardware, can software work? Yes, Alisba. Answer me, please.
If we don't have
Hardware,
software.
if you don't have hardware, will software work? Abdullah said properly.
No. No.
No, that's good. That's good, Alisba. Can you give me an example of a hardware?
What?
Can you give me an example of a hardware of a computer? What is hardware in computer?
Example of hardware.
Yes, in computer, what is hardware? Give an example of it. Yes. Why it's taking too much time? Yes. What is taking too much time? Is it so hard to tell what is hardware is? Alisba, didn't you done the assignment? You didn't do the assignment, Alisba. Yes. Abdullah, please answer an example of a hardware. Everyone use your Zoom reaction hand raise. Good, good. Abdullah, why are you unable to unmute your mic?
Yes, miss.
I ask a question, please answer me.
What, miss?
Abdullah, are you paying attention in my class? I asked, give me an example of a hardware in computer. What is hardware? Can you tell any one thing about hardware in computer?
मिस मुझसे पूछिए या
Abdullah,
अब्राहम से
I am talking to you.
ये इसका आंसर तो मुझे नहीं आता
Very sad. I'm very sad, Abdullah. Yes, Zainab. Yes.
मैं आपको हार्डवेयर की डेफिनेशन दे दूं?
No, just tell me one part of the hardware. No need to give definition.
प्रिंटर.
Very nice. Thank you, Zainab. Well done. Well done. Printer. Anyone else? Yes, Hassan. Hardware. Example of a hardware in computer.
मिस स्पीकर
Very good. Thank you. Who's else? Ayan Ashraf. Unmute your mic. Your camera is very dark. Can't see your face. Open the lights. Yes, when you sit in the class, pay attention in my class and open the lights, camera properly. Have your microphone ready to answer. Abdullah, where are you? Maheen Khan, open your camera. Fahad, open your camera. Yes, Ayan, I'm waiting for your answer. Please
Yes.
answer me.
मिस मॉनिटर
Very good. Thank you, Ayan. Who's else? Yes, Fahad. Example for the hardware. Hiba, use Zoom reaction for the hand raise. You are in now class 3. Use your Zoom reaction hand raise. There must be a reaction in the Zoom. Fahad, open your mic, please. Unmute your mic and answer me.
मिस
Yes.
CPU is hardware
Very good. Very good, Fahad. Good job. Who else is left over? Malahim. Yes, Malahim.
Yes,
Malahim.
teacher.
Example for the hardware in computer part, please.
Keyboard.
Maham, Zoom reaction.
Keyboard.
Very good. Thank you. Yes, Maham, next time use Zoom reaction for hand raising. Okay, Maham? Yes, please answer.
मिस माइक
Mic, microphone. That's right. Good, good, very good. Now who's left? Maheen Khan, use Zoom reaction to hand raise. Yes, Maheen.
टीचर मुझे ना आपकी आवाज बहुत ना अटक आ रही है, अटक के आ रही है.
Okay, let me clear it from everyone. Everyone, can you hear my voice loud and clear? Use your thumb for that. Use your thumb. Use your thumb. Yes, you can hear my voice loud and clear, or you have same difficulty like Maheen. Same, or you are okay with my voice? Okay. Everyone is saying okay, Maheen. I think there is some internet connections problem with your computer. Yes, Zainab.
USB.
USB, very nice, good, good. Think of something like that. Everyone think of different parts. You can mention it to me. Okay, do not repeat the same. Very good. Abdullah, now you're ready to answer? I am watching you lying down. Why is that? Are you so
Yes,
tired
miss.
today? Take a comfortable chair if you are feeling very tired. Don't lie down. Yes, Abdullah. Give me an example for the hardware.
मिस कैम स्कैनर
Cam scanner, camera or scanner. Which one? They are both different things.
यस मिस
Camera or scanner. Which one you are talking about? They are both different things.
मिस कंप्यूटर में कैमरा नहीं होता तो कैम स्कैनर की जरूरत पड़ती है
if you want me to see your face, what device you use?
मिस आपकी आवाज मेरे सही से नहीं आ रही.
Okay, let me check it again. Can you hear my voice loud and clear now?
मिस रुक जाए मैं फिर लगा देता हूँ.
Okay. Now, Abraham, you want to give me the answer? You are the last person. Then we'll move ahead.
Yes. Teacher, headphone.
Sorry, repeat your answer.
Teacher, we can use headphone on computer or laptop.
No, that's not my question. My question is, which is the part of a computer is a hardware? Mention any one thing.
Okay, hardware. I think the screen.
Screen is a monitor, and the monitor is already answered by someone.
Okay, mouse.
Mouse. Yes, mouse is left one. Good. Very good. Now you all of you have clear about what is hardware is. Now I have shown you what is software is. The software is something that cannot be touched. Last time you guys were mentioning about human parts. In human parts or in computer, anything physical can be touched with your hands, or you can touch it. You can feel that. That means it is a physical or a hardware thing. You were last time mentioning about kidney, lungs, like that. Okay. Now you tell me, can you touch your kidney if it come out from your body? Can you touch it? Nod your head. Can you touch your kidney if it comes out of your body? Can you touch the kidney? Why are you not saying that? Okay, let me give you example on the computer. If I open the computer for you, CPU, can you touch inside what is inside the CPU? Can you touch it? Motherboard, fan, hard drive. Can you touch all these things? Yes. Yes, Shabi. Yes, I am very shocked that girls know and boys didn't know about it. Why is that? If I open the computer, can you not touch the parts of a computer inside the CPU? Huh? Yes, you can touch it. Are you confused about it? Let me share you a presentation that you can touch it once you open it. Hold on, let me share you with it. Okay, can you see the screen, everyone? Yes? Now you see, they are talking about hardware and software devices on computer. Let's go through with a very quick idea that what is software and what is hardware is. There is a minor difference between which I've shared already in the video that the software is something that cannot be touched, whether it's inside or not. If it's in your body, the feelings, for example, the feelings of your human body cannot be touched, whether it's alive or not. If you are alive or dead, the feelings of your body cannot be touched. If you're feeling sad, can you touch your sad feeling? No, that's right. Just like that. Can you touch paint program on your computer? No, that's right. Just like compare that thing. If it's a blood, that if I cut your finger, can you touch your blood? Yes. If you hurt yourself or cut your fingers, the bloods come out. Can you touch the blood? Yes. That means the blood is not a software. Okay. Anything that can be touched is a hardware. So the blood is also not hardware. If you got an operation from a surgeon and there is a problem with the kidney, he operates the surgery on a kidney. So that means he can touch the kidney. So the kidney is a hardware or software? It's a hardware. Obviously, you can touch it. That means hardware. If your computer is not functioning properly, okay, for example, it's not functioning for then you go to the computer repairing shop and you ask him to repair it. So he opened the computer and he started switching your wires and correcting it. That means your computer inside parts can be touched. So everything inside your CPU can be touched. So it's not a software. Okay. Just like inside your body parts can be touched, so it's not a software, it's a hard part. The feelings, that side thing that cannot be touched. Okay, now this is the last topic we are studying today, hardware and software. Next time we are studying different topics. So remember that computer or any technological devices is made up of two things. What are those two things are? Hardware and software. Very good. Very good. Everyone pay attention properly, okay? The computer or any technological part is made up of two things, just like in mobile and compared to television or in computer. You can compare to every devices and see that these things are made up of two things, hardware and software. Just like I've shown you the video, in video you see that without hardware, software could not work, and without software, hardware could not work. It's like a dead body, okay? Okay, let's go to the next slide. Okay, now let's study computer hardware. Computer hardware is the collection of a physical parts of a computer system. Okay, computer hardware is what you can physically touch. Remember, computer hardware is what you can physically touch. Now, what are the computers? Write it down, everyone. This is the important part. Write it down. Units of computer hardware. Now, what are the computer hardware units? We are categorizing it in input devices, output devices, processing devices, and storage devices. Everyone draw it like this. Draw it like this in your paper. Write it down and draw it like this. It's a chart where you mention that we divide the computer hardware into the following four parts, which are input devices and output devices. We have studied in the class too what are input devices and what are output devices, right? Everyone remember, anything goes inside the computer are input devices. Anything which comes out of the devices are output devices. Just like hard means hardware and soft means software. If the name is the example, same as it is. Remember, okay, just remember the name and you will remember their function. In and out. Input, in. That means anything that gives your data inside the computer, it's called input. Anything that comes out of the computer, it's called output. Let me remind you that I have given you example last class. Let me see who knows it. Who's gonna give me the answer? Who's gonna give me the answer of input and output example? Yes, Shabi, Hassan, you give me the answer. Example of an input device. Yes,
Miss,
Hassan.
MS Word,
MS Word is what? We are
input
talking about
devices.
input and output device. Devices. Remember, we are talking about hardware. Hardware. Yes.
Computer,
No, computer is a hardware. But what is the input device? In computer, what is input device? You guys forgot about it? I have already given you a review. What is goes inside your computer with the help of a device is called input device. Oh, Alisba knows the answer. Okay, Alisba. Give me the answer, please.
Google,
Remember, we are talking about hardware.
Google,
Google is
search,
what? Alisba, let me remind you, we are talking
Google,
about hardware.
search,
Hardware. And devices. We are talking about devices. Devices and hardware. Which are the
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Which are the input devices? I'm talking about which are the input devices. Yes, Shabi. Oh, sorry, Zainab. Yes, Zainab. You remember what I'm talking about, input devices?
What is input device?
Very good, Zainab. Well done. Thank you so much. Everyone, why are you so forgettable that you didn't remember that we have studied the input and output devices in hardware? Whatever we put inside the computer are the input devices. Input devices. Ayan Ashraf, are you paying attention in my class? Can you give me an example of an output device? Yes, Ayan Ashraf. Ayan, I cannot hear your voice. Plug out your microphone and plug it again. Then give me the answer of output device.
CPU.
Repeat your answer, please. I can't hear you, sorry. It's disturbing. Check your microphone again. Can't hear you properly. Plug in your plug out. Plug in and plug out again. Microphone. I'm sorry, I cannot hear you. It's a disturbing voice. Hello?
CPU.
CPU. CPU is an output device. Are you sure? Huh? CPU is the output device. I'm shocked, Ayan. Who's going to give me the answer? Yes, Abraham.
Teacher, what devices are that output?
Abraham, your voice is not clear.
आंसर दे रही हूँ।
Ram, keep your mic away from your mouth so that I can hear your voice clearly. Don't.
Teacher,
Yes.
output devices are that are output.
Yes. But what are the which one is the output device? Can you mention any one name?
There are too many. I can't choose the best one.
Think about it. Who's gonna give me the answer? What is the output device? Oh yes, fine. You are here. Okay.
Miss Mouse.
Mouse is an output device. Are you sure? Mike, are you sure about it that mouse is an output device?
Miss Headphones.
Headphones are the output device. Yes, headphones are the output device because you can hear your voice coming out of the computer, just like speaker. Okay, mouse is not an output device. Anything that goes inside, when you click on it, it goes inside the computer. The instruction you've given in the mouse, from the mouse, it goes inside the computer. That means it's an input device. Okay, everyone, I hope these two examples are clear to give you the instruction of what are input devices and what are output devices. We are studying hardware, computer hardware. Do not mix up those software and hardware thing, okay? This is the written over here. We are studying of units of computer hardware. Input devices are the hardware one, computer hardware. Output devices are computer hardware. Now, who's going to tell me what is processing device? Which one is the processing device? Yes, Hassan. Can you tell me which one is the processing device? Yes, Hassan.
Google.
We are talking about hardware. Talk about the hardware. Can you touch Google?
No.
No, then why are you talking about hardware? Google. We are
Miss
not
Printer.
processing device. I'm asking about what is the processing device? Which one is the processing device? Which part of the computer is used as for processing unit? We have studied so many times. The name itself is.
Miss, can I tell input device?
Yes, okay. Give me the example of input device.
Webcam.
Webcam. Yes, that's the correct answer. Good job. But I'm asking about processing device. Who's gonna give me answer? Yes, Talbia. You were silent for the most of the time. Talbia, unmute your mic and answer me. Which part of the computer is called processing device?
Input device.
Processing device. I'm talking about processing device. We have studied input device and output device. Give me an example. Which one part of the computer is called processing device?
Mouse, keyboard. Miss Mouse and keyboard.
They process the data you given to the computer.
No, yes, no, yes.
Think about it and pay attention, my class, Albiya. Yes, Salishba. Did you have any answer? Malahim, Fahad, you know the answers? I'm shocked. What is the full form of CPU? What is the full form of CPU? What is the full form of CPU? What is the complete name of CPU? Who's gonna give me the answer? Yes, Hassan.
Central Processing Unit.
Central Processing Unit. That means it is the device that processes data. Processing unit, CPU, central part of the computer which processes data. This is called CPU and it is also called processing device. Anything you give information to the computer will go through on your CPU which process data. CPU is the brain of a computer. Just like in our brain, everything goes inside our brain and it processes the data. Just like in CPU, you guys forgot about it. I'm very sad about it that you guys didn't remember the last 2 years. Even class 1 knows. Very sad. Now we're talking about the storage devices. Input devices are mouse, keyboard, camera, and microphone. Output devices are speaker, monitor, printer. Okay, these are the devices. Okay, last time. Now what you're gonna do is now make a column, write down input devices, output devices. Mention the name of devices that are called input and mention the name of the devices that are called output. And the storage devices. Can anyone name any two name of the storage devices we have studied? In class 2 we have studied storage devices also. Storage devices, anything which stores data of the computer. What are those? Yes, Zainab.
CD is the storage device.
Very good, very good. Good job. Correct answer. Who's gonna give me one more answer? Which of the devices are called for the storage devices? Yes. Rubesha, is this the time for joining the class? Why are you late, Rubesha? Yes. Rubesha, I'm asking you, why are you late in my class?
Input device.
You have to note down these things and you have to give me example what are the input devices, output devices, and I'm asking what is the storage devices. We have studied about hardware and software. Malahim, are you there? I cannot see your faces. Everyone, make a chart of input and output devices just like you have done for the hardware and software, okay? Write it down in a paper. What are the input devices? What are the output devices? And what are the storage devices? Next time I want to see that thing. Okay, everyone? I hope everyone has noted down these things, okay? Very good. Pai, you are here to play? Yes. Those who join me late, next time join me on time because we have a very limited 30 minutes time. I hope you guys have learned today what is the basic difference between hardware and software, and also which part of the computer is hardware, which part of the computer is software, and we are studying, yes, okay, we are taking question answer. Yes, Zainab.
Make the chart on white sheet.
Any paper. There's no definition of things of where you are. Even you can write on computer, okay? Make a chart on MS Word if you can, okay? It's up to you. Good luck. Yes, Hassan, what is your question?
Miss, no.
No question? Okay, Ayan Ashraf, what is your question? Ayan, I cannot hear your voice.
This strong device is CT.
Yes, very nice. CD is the storage device. Good. Now there are a lot of devices that are called for storage purposes. Try to think of some more devices that are used for storage purposes. Okay, I'm sure you will know it. Yes, Talbia, what is your question?
मैं कोई होमवर्क नहीं है.
This is the homework. Are you not paying attention in my class? I told everyone to make a chart of input devices, output devices, and storage devices. These are the hardware. Let me see the chart which I have shown you here, the units of a hardware, computer hardwares, and where you have shown it the input devices, output devices, processing devices, and storage devices. Now you need
Okay,
to make
miss.
a chart for the devices which are called input devices, output devices, and storage devices. Which devices
Okay.
are these things? Okay, make a chart of it next time.
Okay, miss.
Yes, Malahim.
टीचर जो होमवर्क है ना आप उस यूनिवर्सिटी पे सेंड कर देना.
I will send it to university, but I want you to ask me question if you have any related to homework. You should know I'm telling you online right now. I will upload it on university also. Okay, Malahim?
Okay.
Okay. Yes, Zainab. What's more question you have to ask? Rubaisha, you must be the first one to join next time. Okay, Rubaisha? The timing of the class is 3:30. Zainab, you can't. Okay, hold on. Yes, Zainab.
इनपुट और आउटपुट एग्जांपल के साथ बनाना है.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. You need to draw the line of a comparison between input devices, output devices, storage devices. You can write it down. What are the devices are called input devices? Which devices are called output devices? And which devices are called storage devices? We have studied in class 2. I'm shocked that you guys, maybe because of the corona, we are not studying. That's why I think you forgot it. So I'm taking this lightly right now. Next time, be prepared, okay? Try to think everything you have studied so far. Come on class on time because computer is very important class as well. Okay. Okay. Yes, Alijba, what's your question? This is the last question I'm taking, everyone. After this class will be
टीचर आप किस चीज का कह रही हैं कंप्यूटर पे करने को?
the homework I'm talking about. You can do it on computer as well.
What is the homework?
Okay, the homework is that you have to write down which devices are input devices, name them, which devices are called output devices.
Input and output devices.
Name and storage also. Write down their names, which devices are there for the storage purposes, for input device and for output device. Name all of them which you know it, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you everyone for joining the class. Your homework will be uploaded in university. Take care of yourself, take care of your family. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.